Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark, and today we're looking at 6-bedroom HMO. We've just completed. We're ready to hand the keys over to the letting agent in the next 2 days. So let's jump inside and have a look exactly what's been done. Okay, so we're in the 6-bedroom HMO. So at the front here, we've got a bedroom. So bedroom number 1 just behind me over here. So this is a double-sized bedroom with an ensuite as well. We've got basement just down below. We've cleared everything else in there, so we've locked it up because we don't actually need access down there, and there's nothing down there, so we've just locked that up there. We've got the communal room. This is just behind me, so if you come inside here. So the communal room has absolutely worked out really, really well. So we've got kitchen all the way down along here, over here, and been really, really happy how this has resulted out. So because we've got six bedrooms over 3 floors, this is a registered HMO license. So we've actually got 2 ovens and 2 hobs over here. And then we've also got over here as well, we've got the integrated dishwasher to comply obviously with HMO rules as well. So rather than having 2 sinks, we decided to go with the dishwasher and a sink as well there. Making sure with HMOs as well, we've got literally a wash and dryer there, and we've got another one over here as well, over here. So there's more than enough for the tenants that can actually use both washing machines at the same time. Obviously we've got the double fridge freezer here as well. This is important, so we've got enough shelf space in the fridge and the freezer as well. Okay, so the important thing with the HMOs is making sure you've got enough cupboard space, so you've got at least 1 cupboard per person in here. And then also you've got 1 shelf available on the fridges and the freezer as well. So you've got to have a certain amount of capacity, hence the reason why we went for the double-sided. Now we've also got, obviously we've got a communal space over here as well. This is segregated nicely from there. Okay, so originally, you look, if you haven't seen what this previously looked like, the original wall was going straight across there. So what we had to do was break through this wall. And effectively we put a RSJ across, and then we lowered the ceiling slightly, so we're able to create this big open space over here, and it works really, really nicely. So we've got a heat detector in there for the smokes, and then we've got a smoke detector over here as well. Okay, so whenever you're doing stuff in the kitchen area, you always want to make sure you use heat rather than actually smoke, so that all the alarms don't go off from there as well. So everything's all LED lighting, so everything's very, very efficient. So let's jump upstairs and have a look exactly what's going on up there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 2. So this is one of the smallest, this is actually the smallest room out of the whole lot of the double-sized bedroom. So this is still double size. It's actually, I think it's 9.5 square meters in this room. So still really good size. We've got obviously double bed over here. We've got TVs as well, which is important. Every single bedroom has that. But then we've also got the ensuite in here as well. So every bedroom has got en-suites in. So we go obviously with the paneling, which I'll explain in just a bit later on of exactly why we're going for that. But obviously we've got a shower, we've got a nice toilet, and we've got the basin here as well. So let's jump into the other space. So coming out of here, so we've actually restored all of the actual staircase. So the staircase, you can literally just move it like that. It's absolutely solid. So there's been so many hours that our joiners have actually gone into this and restored it, but it's super solid now. So really happy with that. And then coming up here to bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is one of the largest. So this 2-bedroom, the one up from this as well. It's absolutely huge. So we've been able to get £140 per week per room for this specific room, and the one above, just solely because of its space. So it's absolutely really, really big. Really happy with it. Obviously the quality that we're going for the bedding and stuff like that is all hotel grade quality. So this is stuff that you find in hotels. The reason why we've gone with that is we supply this for all our tenants, and it's all going to last a long time. Okay, so rather than going and buying some cheap stuff, that's going to last a very, very long time as well. So we've got obviously TVs here as well, and then we've got the ensuite, quite a large ensuite in here. So I'm really happy with how it's actually turned out. Now the reason why we're going with paneling, we used to tile all our en-suites, But what we found with maintenance further down the line is that the grouts can sometimes, if the cleaners haven't cleaned properly, the grout can sometimes get mold in between. So this is very easy for maintenance and cleaning. So the cleaners can be on top of it very, very easily. And it's very hard wearing as well. So we've gone for a type of paneling that's very hard wearing. We're really happy with it as well. So coming into now bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4 is just around here. Again, very nice space bedroom. This is 10.22 square meters. And it's turned out really, really well. I'm really happy with it. Again, we've got en-suites over here. So just to this side. So we actually took a bit of space from the bedroom we were just in previously before. Now, the reason why we took that space, just so we could still have this as a nice sized bedroom. So if you want to see what this previously was like, just make sure that you just click up here. And you'll be able to see what this property previously was like as well. Keeping consistency in all of our properties is important. Because we deal with professional tenants, we want to keep as professionally experienced throughout our whole properties with high quality furniture, bedding, and the quality throughout the whole property has to remain from the bedrooms to the en-suites as well. This is important for us as well as getting consistency from the lettings point of view, but also for our clients getting consistent results time and time again, and for us getting consistent results for our portfolios. If you want to profit from UK property with minimal time involvement and you simply just don't have the time to do it and deal with all the hassle that comes along with building a property portfolio, then book in a call at genicproperty.com, and you can subscribe to our channel as well, where you can book in a free call with one of our team.